Mr. Harshal Gala, CEO of Navneet TopTech, visited Rosary High School, Badlapur, for an insightful interaction with Ms. Rasika Tembulkar, the director of the school. The visit focused on engaging with students and educators, discussing digital adoption and strengthening the school's collaboration with Navneet TopTech.
While we talk about the digital environment that we are creating for our students, so that does not limit to only having the smart technology in the classrooms. I also want our students, to be rooted to the cultural values. So our students are really enjoying the digitization, the technology-based learning, all of that. So we also ensure that our students, while they are embracing the 21st century skills, they are also rooted to their culture. So this is what we aim for our students. Wow. And it's a very engaging classroom environment that I see, in my school, where children learn, they're loving every bit of it. So I just feel that, digital platform is needed. But apart from that, there are also other aspects that we need to look into. Yeah. And we are thinking of developing them like, a school ground. Just we had a conversation about it. So digital is the first step, further which we will just look for the further infrastructural development.
Yeah. I've quoted the use case of our LMS to other schools, how they're using it in your school n number of times, because the way you all use the platform, the way you all integrate it into the day-to-day is better than what we had also envisaged, and it's so good to see in the classroom, you're seeing teachers use it, what you're saying at home also parents use it. I was talking to students, they are loving it because, they are getting that freedom to explore technology and it's working out really, really well. Plus, I think the best part is the feedback that you give. Not only you encourage your teachers to give feedback, but also you give such detailed feedback that's making us really rich with information and is practically developing a product, by itself only.
This has really helped us into differentiated instructions for our children. Like when I see the data, I see that in the term 1, how did the students perform? And in the term 2, I had this system in place and the results have improved.
Yeah.
So our students are really doing well now. Even the struggling students don't feel that, they are left behind in the classroom. So all of them are inclusive. When we talk about inclusive education, we only talk about the CWSN students. Yeah. But here, it's not only about that. It is also about the learning levels that each child is prepared with. Yeah.
Wow.
So I think this platform has seen what all a school needs and what all needs to be given to them. This is the best part about you. And now you all have also come up with this AI powered tool for the teachers, to bring concepts to life. I remember a class, the sir was teaching chemistry and there they showed H2O, formation of H2O. And what happens, when it is heated.
Correct.
So they have understood the whole thing, through live demonstration, not just by words.
Yeah.
Through visually looking at it and understanding it. So this helps us to teach the children better.
Call 1800-266-667 or visit www.navneettoptech.com.